Hello everyone, I'm Anirudh and this is Enriched. I'm the founder of Enriched and we are working on food 3D printing for personalized nutrition. The main problem we are trying to tackle here is that everyone is different. And in a hospital or care facility, these differences are the most extreme. They can literally mean the difference between life and death. And you are what you eat. So nutrition is responsible for the overall health. Everyone also has different nutritional requirements depending on their medical history, their current condition, other preferences, and so on. But the care facilities are limited to the few meal options that they can provide. This leads to suboptimal nutrition, which may lead to medical complications, prolonged stay, and even loss of life. With current technology, it is logistically and economically infeasible to provide individual level personalization. It would be ideal if we could have an integrated holistic care where we can integrate nutritional optimization for the highest risk patients in their care. This will reduce the overall cost for patients as well as for the hospitals and improve overall health. This means that we can have better health outcomes at lower cost, literally doing more with less. But how does food 3D printing fit into this? What is food 3D printing? There's a detailed explainer video on this channel and linked here. But in short, you just take an ingredient, make it into a paste and extrude it out layer by layer to make 3D shapes. When you do that with multiple extruders, you can control the amount of every ingredient. So you get personalized nutrition according to every individual's nutritional requirements. Because it's 3D printed, you can even have that same personalized, optimized meal in any desired format according to what you prefer, or even something customized like a Batmobile. We are currently designing an industrial design food 3D printer with multiple extruders and continuous feeding capability so that we can produce large amounts of meals with many ingredients. Once we have this machine, we can use that to provide the integrated holistic care we mentioned earlier. We do that by creating personalized profiles for every patient, uploading them, and optimizing the meal plans for them. Then we make the food paste using industrial mixers to fill up extruders that go into the multi-material extruder printers. Many of these printers working together in a centralized manufacturing facility can produce personalized meals for every individual. These meals are then post-processed by heating or cooling as the case may be, and then shipped to the right customers. But there are many other applications for 3D printed food. For instance, sports nutrition. This is not just limited to athletes, it could be actors or models or anyone else on an intensive training program. They can hyper personalize their program according to their requirements, their schedule, their goals, and so on, and have daily feedback for a very flexible, agile program. An even more interesting application is nutrition education for the kids. As we know that healthy ingredients have a bit of an acquired taste, and we don't really retain that much information from school as we do from games because it's like a more visceral experience. So let's make this into a game. We can 3D print healthy ingredients in fun, desirable shapes that the kids like. When they finish the meals and answer questions about nutrition, they gain some points which can help them unlock more desirable shapes. With repeated exposure over time, they can acquire the tastes of these healthy ingredients and even learn more about nutrition in the process. This can help us make a gamified nutritional education program that can even be unique to every child because of 3D printing. We have a lot of competition, but compared to, say, traditional catering, we have individual level personalization. Compared to most other 3D printers, we have more materials, We have larger scale in production and personalized nutrition algorithms that we will be developing with hospitals. Compared to personalized nutrition supplement providers, we use natural ingredients to make full meals instead of using, say, chemicals to make small tablets. This makes us especially well suited for any personalized meal program applications, be it care facilities, kids nutrition, sports nutrition, or anything else. We intend to have quite a few different revenue streams, like subscriptions for all the different meal programs, a rental for or the sales for the printers themselves, for the hotels, restaurants, and other customers. And for every new paste and recipe and every meal shape that we make, we can have a portal which can be subscribed to. And if you want to make something new, we can have a consulting service for that too. We're looking into quite a few different market segments simultaneously. This technology is quite versatile and can be applied to a lot of different applications without much change. This makes this business more versatile and this investment more robust. This is our 5-year commercialization plan. In year 1, we wish to have one-off sales and set up one centralized manufacturing facility. With year 2, we would focus on a few revenue streams and try to establish those in Singapore. Year 3, we try to expand internationally and replicate the model. And by year 4 and 5, we grow bolder in expansion, both in terms of geography as well as the extent to which each application goes. This is the team. We have already collaborated with the Allspice Institute for development of the food base and the food safety approvals. And this research has mostly been conducted under Nanyang Technological University with these affiliated institutions. We've already received significant traction from different types of customers from all over the world, including alternative meat companies. But the best part about it is that even amid the pandemic, we are getting so much support from these hospitals who are excited to get food, 3D printed food and personalized nutrition into their facilities as soon as possible. When surveying regular customers, we find that even the general population is very aware of the importance of personalization to the individual when it comes to nutrition. And most people that were surveyed were willing to try out 3D printed food. So the market is ready for it. This is our 5-year financial projections as we project based on the different revenue streams and the different market segments we can get into. These would be the funds needed. If you're interested, hit me up. Please visit our website as mentioned here, and more links to our website and social media are in the description below. Please check them out. Please contact us if you're interested in collaboration, any of the specific applications or investment. Thank you.